Hi, welcome to this video tutorial of RF module. Now RF module is a module that is used to communicate over short distances like 9 to 10 meters wirelessly. For this purpose we have a transmitter and a receiver module. What the transmitter is used is actually to send data, the real-time data that you are somewhere creating to a destination where you want it to be used and processed into the microcontroller or anything else. So how does it works? Actually, as we have said, it has a transmitter, it has a receiver, both are different, and then the technique that is used for wireless communication is actually ASK. That means that amplitude shift keying. This is actually a modulation method that is used to modulate the data that we are creating. So this happens at 433.92 megahertz, that is the carrier frequency. So any normal data is actually modulated by 433.92 megahertz of carrier frequency, and this way our data is actually transmitted through the transmitter. Now let us see actually what actually creates the data at the receiver end and what actually receives the data. What the transmitter and receiver does actually is only to transmit the data into the wireless that is over in the atmosphere. The real thing that is created and read by our microcontrollers is actually done by the encoder and the decoder. So this is the decoder IC, that is HT12E. It has 8 programmable address pins. Now why is the address needed? Because we may have multiple RF modules working in our surrounding, so we should know that we are receiving the data from the legitimate one and not the other one. So that is why we have addresses assigned to each of the RF modules, and how many actually devices can be connected depends upon the address pins, the number of address pins that are there. So here we have 8 programmable address pins. That means 128 devices can be connected in one region, and they can be distinctively detected also. So apart from 8 address pins, we also have 4 data pins. That means we can send 8-bit address as well as 4-bit data wirelessly through the transmitter module. So in this way this is connected to the transmitter. And also we have a oscillator resistor that is defined according to the module we have, and there is a transmitter circuit, that is a transmitter module, which sends the data wirelessly, and this system works on the TTL logic, that is 5 volt. So this was the encoder IC. Now let us see the decoder IC, that is HT12D. Here we have 8 programmable address pins. So whatever the address was set on the encoder, the same is to be done on the decoder side, so that they are properly matched. And again we have 4 data pins, that is according to the 4 data that we had sent from the transmitter and received at the receiver. Also we have a VT pin over here that goes high whenever the circuit is completed. That means we have both the transmitter and the receiver turned on and they are communicating with each other. So in this way we can have a very reliable communication in the range of the wireless which is defined for RF to be according to its power to be 9 meter or 10 meters approx. So in this way the RF module works. Thank you.